everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I whiten my teeth. If you are new, welcome. My name is Erin. I put out a video every Wednesday and Sunday. If you like what you see so far, you can like and subscribe down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak. But besides that, we're gonna get right into my teeth whitening routine. The first step is to floss. I like to use the picks when I floss, and I just use a regular CVS brand. I do use a couple of these when I floss. I do not use the same pick for all of my teeth. I go through about 4 or 5 whenever I floss. So I like to floss before I brush my teeth in this situation just to make sure that I get everything out. My second step is to brush my teeth. I have super sensitive gums that tend to bleed if I brush too hard, so I use a very soft bristle toothbrush, and then I will use this brand. It was recommended to me by my dentist. It seems to be working really well and I have no problems. The taste isn't bad. It doesn't leave a weird flavor after, so I would highly recommend this if you have sensitive gums or sensitive teeth. My third step is to go back in and floss. So this isn't necessary, but if you feel like just not everything is gone, you just want to go and kind of check it out a little bit and just clean up whatever is left. Your fourth step is going to be to whiten. So I use the Crest 3D white strips. I already flossed, brushed, and flossed again off camera, but I will be applying these on camera. I have tried the charcoal toothpaste or the charcoal powder that you dip your toothbrush in. I didn't feel like it worked very well, and I heard that it can really damage the enamel of your mouth, and you had to do it quite frequently in order to see any results, so I didn't like that. I don't really think whitening toothpaste work that much either. I also have a really hard time with trays in my mouth. I really struggle with mouth guards when I played sports, and I cannot have that tray sitting in my mouth with all of the gel and then a light in there. So the strips just work really well for me, and I don't even have to use them that frequently. I probably use these strips like maybe once every 2 months, and I drink a lot of coffee. I don't drink a lot of red wine, but I drink a lot of coffee. I don't smoke, and I still feel like these work really well. So I'm going to apply these right now. They apply in 3 easy steps. You just peel them off, you apply them to your teeth, and then you wait for them to finish. So the strips come with an upper and a lower. I leave them on for 30 minutes. It's recommended to 45 minutes, but again, I have really sensitive teeth and gums, and the longer I leave them on, the worse I feel the next day, which is honestly why I don't whiten my teeth that much either. I just don't like that feeling when you're drinking something cold and it feels like icicles shooting up into your gums. So I am going to apply these. I have a full face of makeup on and nothing on my lips just because I know I'm gonna be like smudging my fingers all over them. So the long strip is going to be for your upper, and the smaller strip is going to be for the lower. I'm gonna start with my bottoms. They adhere to your teeth really well, so they kind of stuck immediately, and you just kind of have to fold them over. Next, I'm gonna do the top layer. Okay, while these are on, I'm gonna go do, I sound so funny. While these are on my teeth, I'm gonna go do some stuff around the house, and I will be back. My 30 minutes are up. I removed my teeth whitening strips and then just wiped down my teeth with a hand towel. I do not brush my teeth afterwards, and that's it. It's really easy, it's really simple, and it's pretty inexpensive to get whiter teeth that last for a couple months. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.
Round your city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody equal.